Hi, good morning. My name is Michael Leonard. I am the CFO of TRXGold Corporation. At TRXGold, we're a junior producing gold mining company with an open pit operating mine in Tanzania, East Africa, called the Buckreef Gold Project. You can see a snapshot of some of the project highlights on this slide, but at a high level, what we think makes us unique from other junior gold mining companies are a few things. First of all, Buckreef is a producing asset. We just published our fiscal 2025 year-end results earlier this week, and we produced just under 19,000 ounces of gold this past year. But importantly, we generated record revenues of almost $60 million. We had gross margins over 40%. We had net income of $6.6 million. We had operating cash flow over $16 million and EBITDA of $22 million, all of which are record results for the company. And we expect this to continue to improve into next year. And again, all these results demonstrate the company's significant leverage to the record gold prices of around $4,200 an ounce that we're currently seeing. The second aspect that we think makes us unique as a company is that Buckreef has a significant starting gold resource of about 1.6 million ounces of gold in the ground at about 2.5 grams a ton. And that indicates a long life of mine and thus many, many years of future cash flow. But with that all said, we're currently undertaking geophysics studies and exploration drilling to unlock the blue sky upside potential that we see on this property, with the goal of adding to that resource base and extending the life of mine over time. Illustratively, we published the best drill hole results in the history of the company this past year at a discovery called the Stanford Bridge Zone. We expect to focus our exploration efforts on this area in 2026. We see this as a big value lever for the company, as the land package is largely undrilled, with only around 125,000 meters in the drill hole database. Thirdly, we recently completed an updated technical study, a preliminary economic assessment, or PEA, that we published back in May. It shows an 18-year mine life, average annual production of over 60,000 ounces of gold a year, and a pre-tax NPV of $1.9 billion at $4,000 gold. And we think that indicates a significant valuation gap from where we're currently trading. In the time that we've been operating, Buckreef has shown itself to be a low-cost, high-margin operation that's enabled us to use organically generated cash flow from production to fund growth in a shareholder-friendly, non-dilutive, and value-accretive way. In short, it's a self-funding business, which we feel is very appealing to prospective shareholders. In summary, we see Buckreef as a unique asset with a significant resource base that we hope to add to over time, with a growing production profile that's demonstrated leverage to gold price, year-over-year growth in all key financial operating metrics, and a runway to a much higher valuation as we execute against our PEA. Thank you.